Welcome to my YouTube channel, Daud by Fazil by Primary School, B Ward, Standard 4. Defeat of Internal Enemies by Sayyida Sadi. Chapter 8, Defeat of Internal Enemies. Shivaji, after conquering one fort to another, he faced some problem with his relatives and close friends. Sardars like Nimbalkar, Ghurpadis and Moris opposed Shivaji's efforts to establish Swaraj. Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar of Paltan was Shivaji's own brother-in-law, but he was always a rival for Shivaji. Shivaji has defeated him in many battles. Another rival was Shambhaji Mohite of Supe. He was a near relative of Shivaji. He was also against Shivaji. He always plotted against Shivaji. Shivaji arrested him and banished him to Karnataka. Chandrarao More of Javali. Chandrarao More of Javali has another episode. In this episode, we come to know that Shivaji, after getting achievements and recognized and applauded by many people, he captivated the heart of his people. Some people did not like this. He took him, he looked upon Shivaji as a mole in the eye. More of Javali was one such person. More was the Jagirdar of Javali. This Jagir, which extended from Raigad to Koina Valley, along with the title Chandra Rao, was conferred upon him by Adil Shah. Javali was covered with a thick forest that was covered with such a thick forest that even during broad daylight the sun's ray hardly penetrated it. It was full of wildlife. Tigers, wolves, and bears roamed freely in the Javali forest. More's Javali was thus like a tiger's hideout. No one therefore crossed More's path. Only Shivaji had the courage to do so. Daulat Roy More died in 1645. There was fight for the succession among his descendants. Shivaji backed and supported Yashwantrao. He helped Yashwantrao to ascend the Gaddi as Chandra Rao. In return for Shivaji's help, Yashwantrao promised to help Shivaji in his struggle and also pay him an annual tribute. But he forgot all this once he succeeded to the Gaddi. He became impertinent and troublesome. He started attacking Shivaji's territory and harassed the people. Shivaji realized that unless More was punished, he would remain a constant danger to Swaraj. Rebel and you will die. Shivaji first sent a stiff note to Yashwantrao More. You call yourself the Raja, but I am the Raja of this territory. This kingdom is Lord Shiva's gift to me. So do not call yourself Raja. In a very rude reply, Yashwantrao said, You are a Raja of only yesterday. Who gave you this kingdom? If you come to Javali, you will be trapped. By the grace of God, I have received from Adil Shah the title of Raja. He was also, in his graciousness, give me a throne and the panoply of a Raja. If you start any trouble here, you will be badly hurt. Shivaji replied, Give up Javali and your pretensions to kingship. Come before your master with folded hands and accept his service. You will refuse to do so at the risk of your life. The conquest of Javali was the difficult operation. It was covered with thick forest and protected by the impregnable Rairi fort. More also had numerous followers. Shivaji, after making thorough preparation, attacked Javali. Yashwantrao held out for about a month but suffered very heavy losses. He then escaped to Rairi along with his family. Shivaji conquered Javali and then marched on Rairi. He laid siege to Fort Rairi. Yashwantrao fought desperately for 3 months, but he had to give up. Fort Raigad. The conquest of Javali was a very important landmark. This doubled the boundaries of Swaraj under Shivaji. Yashwantrao's army too joined the forces of Shivaji. The strong fort became a part of Swaraj. Shivaji was highly pleased to have this fort under his control. He changed its name to Raigad. Later on, he built a new fort on the Bhorpia hill nearby. It was named Pratapgarh. Thank you.